sorry ass DJ. Hello, 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 people. Good afternoon.
Just walking under the cobwebs. I'm copping them all.
We are on holiday. For the next couple of days, we'll be spending our time here. These two big trees. Huge. Whew. So guys, I can hear water. I've been hiking a long way and I'm puffing, I'm sweating. Now I think I can hear, can you hear the water? I can hear the water. So let's go down there. Let's go and find out what's down there. Let's go. This is another path. It's quite nice under this big tree. Look. So there must be something nice down here to have a path like this. I wish to have a path like this all the way, you know. Quite nice. I can hear the river. Oh yes. So this is the highlight. The highlight of the walk. Wow. Wow. That is nice. Wow. So this is the pavilion they're talking about. You can have a picnic here after coming down for a walk. So there's a river. So we have to go around. Nice. So this is, I don't think this is the TAMMYBRYN Falls. I think it's just a river. Too many insects. I don't think it's a waterfalls, it's just a river. Quite nice. Like a cascade. Ooh. That's where I came from. There's a pavilion over there. Wow. Rewarded. So guys, this is the pavilion and it took about an hour walk to get here, but I guess it's all worth it, don't you think? Seeing this beautiful pavilion in the middle of this 100 acres of land in the middle of nowhere. It's quite amazing how they get to build this. But it also has a barbecue area. So this truck is going to the TAMMYBRYN waterfalls. About 5 minutes walk. So let's go and do it. I can see the waterfalls down there, but in order to get there we have to go through this overgrown track, and there's so many cobwebs. Watery. And small butterflies. Oh my goodness, it's quite steep. Crikey. If I rolled off, seriously. Now this is the scary part. Because it's actually quite steep to go down there. And you don't want to fall off. So I better put this camera away so I can concentrate my way down, because it's actually very steep and it's not worth rolling down there, I'm telling you. Hi guys, this is the TAMMYBRYN waterfalls. It's hard to see because of the currents. But I won't go down any further because it's really quite steep down there and it could roll. Let's see. So I didn't realize how steep down there. So coming back up.